So really quick, guys, I wanted to make this video today because I've noticed, just based off of the questions I get, some emails that I get from people, that a lot of you guys, you want to learn coding, which is good. You want to learn a skill, you want to increase your income, but you're still, a lot of you guys, and this has been happening forever, I did it too, but I'm just going to let you know, you're looking at this thing the wrong way, especially in the modern times where AI is a thing. And AI is very powerful. It's getting more and more powerful every day, okay? When I first learned coding 7, 8, 9 years ago, you pretty much had to almost have permission to be a web developer. And when I say that, I mean you had to have a company kind of believe in you and hire you for a job. At least as a junior developer, after you learned your fundamentals, you kind of had to depend on a company picking you up and then learning from other senior developers and really honing your skill that way. That was pretty much the best way to get in, become a mid to senior level developer and be able to handle full stack and huge projects on your own, and then go off and make more money at other companies or be an entrepreneur and make your own apps and all of that. That has totally changed now with AI. AI pretty much eliminated all the gatekeepers, guys, and that's good news. AI is disruptive, but it's not what you think it is, okay? What it is it gives freedom. As long as you learn your fundamentals now, the things that I preach, the things that I teach on the channel, the things that I teach in the complete web developer course, okay, full stack PHP fundamentals. Once you get those fundamentals down, you don't have to have permission from a company anymore to be a developer. AI, ChatGPT, once you know the core concepts of the languages, which is what I teach, you can prompt AI and you can build any app you want. You can build a massive web app all by yourself. And you're not, as a junior developer who just learned their fundamentals, you basically have the power of several senior developers now because of AI. That's why I keep telling you guys, learn your fundamentals first. Don't worry about the frameworks. Don't worry about Node. Don't worry about React. Don't worry about whatever else they're doing today. There's a million of them. There's Svelte. There's Next.js, there's all kinds of stuff, okay? You don't have to worry about any of that. Just learn the fundamentals. And then if you want to get into any of that, you can with AI as your partner, okay? Once you know the fundamentals, you can tell AI what you want to build and ask them to help you write some code. You know what functions are, loops are, how everything works. AI is like having a senior developer right there with you once you know coding and how to use it and how to prompt, okay? Just learn your fundamentals. The days of having permission are over. You don't need to work for a big company. You can literally take my complete web developer course, learn your fundamentals, starting with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and then a database. And you could literally start just launching your own apps as you go. You can get an idea for a web app, launch it, try to make money with it. If it fails, oh well, now you just launch another one. If you're really smart at this, what you do is you take a course like mine, and then you would just start building stuff immediately. Stuff that solves problems. And you might say like, okay, well, how do I know what problem to solve? Very simple. What problems do you have that a web app or something can solve? Okay? Give you an example that I have. I like sports betting. My cousin likes sports betting. A lot of my friends like sports betting. All the sports betting stuff out there is kind of garbage. Right now, you'd have to make your own spreadsheets and algorithms to really figure out like who has the edge per game. It would be a lot nicer if somebody made a like web app where you can type in or select a matchup for a given sport, and then all of the stats come up, boom, boom, boom. They just populate for each team, and then like something comes up with like here would be like the clear best pick based on the current number. Nobody really does that. That's like just an idea that I have that I could make right now if I wanted to. And then charge $10 a month for that. You get 1,000 people to sign up, which you would get, by the way. Sports bettors are degenerate gamblers, dude. They'll do anything they can to try to get an edge. You can get $10, 1,000 people. That's $10,000 a month. Okay, that's really how people do it. And all of that is now possible because AI is here, ChatGPT is here. All of that stuff is here now. I did not have all that when I first learned web development. When I had a problem, I had to go on Stack Overflow and hope that somebody explained it to me. Had to go on the Mozilla Developer Network, had to Google it, W3 Schools. Sometimes you would get stuck on a problem for days, dude. Those days are gone. Like you guys learning web development now, you have it so much easier. And even before me, people before like Google was as good as it was now on the internet, The old school developers had to look at all this shit in books and hope that they could find it in a book. They had to go spend hours at a library and just hope they could find what they needed. Because the truth is, guys, you're not ever going to memorize all the syntax. You're not always going to have all the answers to how to solve every problem. But ChatGPT now, AI, those things, as long as you know your fundamentals, you will eventually solve and build anything you want, because you'll be able to know what to do where, what you want to do, how to speak code to AI, like how to actually talk in development terms, which AI understands really well, in detail, okay? And when you can do all that, the sky is the limit. So you don't ask me syntax questions, you don't have to email me questions, you don't have to worry about if a job will hire you or if anybody's ever going to want you, because even if you learn the skill and you can't get a job right away, which is common, especially nowadays, because the other double-edged sword with AI is a lot of junior roles are gone because they don't really need juniors anymore to do the mundane stuff, because AI can take care of it. Start building your own stuff right away. Start solving your own problems. Solve problems that your family members have. Ask people like, hey, what's a problem you can have that you really hate that could be solved with a website or a web app? And just build it. Just use AI, use your fundamental knowledge, build it. Start making money. I'm making money with practical web dev, teaching this stuff. You can make money with your web development skills right away, and probably more money. This content creation thing makes money, and it's making me decent money just even with the small following that I have, but it takes a lot of time and a lot of effort. It's a lot easier to sell a service than it is information. I'll tell you that right now. So make something that solves a problem for somebody or for a group of people. Start with what your problems are. That's where you're going to find them. Like, what pisses you off? Start selfish, because if something makes you upset and pisses you off, a lot of people probably have that problem too, and you can probably monetize it with your web development skills. All right, guys, so stop focusing on what language should I learn, what's the syntax for this, what framework should I learn. Learn your fundamentals, check out the complete web developer course, merge with AI as soon as you can, start building stuff, start making money. Even if your goal is to get a job, you're going to look a lot more hireable if you actually built your own services and you're doing your own thing and you're making your own revenue, than if you're just some random guy who's like, oh, I learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, hire me. Those days are pretty much gone. You got to go above and beyond now. The good news is you can. I just gave you the roadmap how to do that. Fundamentals, merge with AI.